Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Nadia Rajput from Desi TV USA. Let's have a look at the headlines. Estonia seeks NATO consultation after Russian jets violate airspace. Trump adds $1 lakh fee for skilled workers visa applicants. PM allows Supreme Court to approve its projects. Let's look into details. Estonia has requested a consultation with other NATO members after Russian warplanes violated its airspace on Friday. Three Russian MiG-31 fighter jets entered the Estonian skies without permission and remained there for a total of 12 minutes over the Gulf of Finland. The government said Italy, Finland, and Sweden scrambled jets under NATO's mission to bolster its eastern flank. A NATO spokesperson said it was yet another example of reckless Russian behavior and NATO's ability to respond. Russia denied violating Estonian airspace, but tensions have been escalating recently after Poland and Romania, both NATO members, said Russian drones breached their airspace. US President Donald Trump has signed an order that will make it much more expensive for skilled foreign workers to get an H-1B visa. From 21st September, companies will have to pay an annual fee of $100,000 for each new H-1B worker. The order says the program has been abused and will block entry unless the fee is paid. Critics argue that H-1B visas reduce opportunities for American workers, while supporters, including billionaire Elon Musk, say the visas help bring the best talent from around the world to the US. In a separate order, Trump also introduced a new gold card visa, which would fast-track immigration for certain people if they pay at least £1 million. The government has allowed the Supreme Court of Pakistan to create its own body to improve development projects worth up to rupees 1 billion. This means the Law Ministry will no longer be involved in approving such projects. For the first time, the Supreme Court will be able to plan and approve its own development schemes directly as long as the cost is under rupees 1 billion. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has approved this move, giving the court permission to set up its own departmental development working party, according to Planning and Development Minister Ahsan Iqbal. The Planning Ministry had asked the Prime Minister to clarify if the Supreme Court could have its own project approving body. Following an order from the court, the Prime Minister agreed and signed off on the request. That's all for now. Keep watching Desi TV USA. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. And don't forget to watch our channels DTV NN and Desi Urdu TV.
Neurological care is a pressing healthcare challenge in Pakistan. That's why Helping Hand USA is building Kind R, a world-class hospital with 130 plus clinics that is set to establish new standards for neurological care in Pakistan. As the first phase nears completion, anticipation is growing for the launch in the second half of 2025. Give zakat and sadaqah through Helping Hand USA today and join this historic endeavor to redefine future healthcare in Pakistan.